Hello guys, this is Blue Apple. Welcome to Plug and Play. And I have no idea. I've heard about this game and I heard that it gets weird in minutes. And I actually want to check it out and do a playthrough on it. So let's get right into it. What the heck is happening? Why is this music dramatically playing? Am I supposed to let you guys touch? I'm not sure. This is weird. Not letting me touch you. No. Not letting me touch you. Okay. Am I supposed to let you guys touch? Okay, whatever. I'll let you guys touch. Even though it looks weird. What happened? What happened? Was that actually the end? Why are you running? Oh. Is he coming back? Oh, another one. What the heck happened? Are you okay, buddy? Oh. Why is he just looking at us? Just keep running, man. Oh, no problem. Alright. That was weird a while ago. How did that happen? And is this guy still running? Bye. Another one? Oh. Hey, have you heard of Excuse Me? What am I supposed to do? Oh well, that guy went his own way. What happened? No! Go back in. There you go. Am I supposed to click the button? Oh, there's light now. Is this... Are they all touching each other? What's wrong with this game? Right. What's happening here? No, touch him. Alright. Okay. Is this gonna keep going on? I'm guessing it. Oh, okay. Okay. That hurts. Okay. Are you seriously? What the heck is wrong with you guys? Alright, turn that off. Okay, still going on. I'm making them do this. Now who the heck's gonna... Oh, you're the only one who doesn't get it. Alright, that sounds fair. Oh, okay. Put this one in then. Okay. Put that one in. What happened? Oh, okay. What the heck are you doing? No. You're not gonna do it right here, right? I'm supposed to hold it? Oh, that's so disgusting. That is so disgusting, man. Couldn't wait till you got home. Oh, I'm holding it. Take it. It's so disgusting. Take it. I said take it, and you're not gonna take it. What am I supposed to do? Take it. Yeah, it's yours. Okay, he's not gonna take it. In 5 minutes already, and he's not gonna take it. Just bend down. Yes, bend down. Oh, go fetch. Ah, I get it. Coming back. Oh. Okay. Throw this one out then. Throw this one in. Oh, now there's two buddies. Okay. What's happening here?
Hi.
Oh, hi.
Hi.
Do I know you?
Do I know you?
Okay.
I don't know.
Do you know me? Oh, okay, I'm gonna...
Do you know me?
How could I know?
What the heck? Okay, I know.
I know.
No, you don't.
Yes.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
Yes.
No.
I said yes.
Yes.
No.
I think he wants me to cut the answer. No.
No.
Yes.
What the? What the? That makes no sense. Oh, whatever. Just keep walking. I love you. Do you love me? Okay, I'm gonna out.
Do you love me?
I don't know.
I think you love me.
I don't love you enough.
I'm just gonna put I love you.
you.
I don't think I love you.
I'm gonna put
Are you sure?
I think you don't love me.
Hug me.
I'm gonna like hug you.
I'm not sure.
Okay,
Do you listen
I'm gonna
to
put
me?
the listen to me.
I do.
Sure.
Yes.
Yes.
No.
Is everything you're gonna say is opposite? What the heck? You hurt my little guy feelings. Oh, whatever. Let's just go our way. Oh, another guy. Please don't talk to me. Oh, I love you. Let's just...
I love you.
I don't think I love you.
Are you sure?
I think you don't love me.
I know
I
love
do.
you.
I'm not sure.
Why are you guys making your life so complicated?
Do you listen to me?
I do.
Surely
Sure.
not. Oh, what the
Yes.
heck? What's that? No.
No.
Yes.
Yes.
No.
What? That's so messed up. Hold on. Another guy.
I love you.
Right?
I don't think I love you.
Are you sure?
I think you don't love me.
Hug me.
I'm not sure.
I do love you.
I don't.
It
It
hurts.
hurts.
I'm leaving.
What? I was just being honest. If people don't want me to be honest, then what the heck is wrong with you? Why ask my opinion? Now you made him sad. Alright, so what I have to answer. Oh, another one. Take this one out. Put this one. Then put that one in here. Go on. No. There you go. What's happening? There you go. Yay, I made them hug. No. No, not again. No! Okay. What the heck is this guy doing? Oh, I guess I'm gonna have to plug him in. Okay, you guys could. Oh, what the heck is this? What, threesome, I guess? Maybe? I don't know. What the heck is happening? Oh, okay, that's just not normal. Let's walk towards the guy, I guess. Yep, he did the same thing the other guy did. Oh, I don't even want to plug them in. Okay, what the heck is happening? Go in. What am I supposed to do here? Alright. No, oh, what the heck is happening here? This is getting disgusting already in many ways. Seriously? No. Can I unplug these? There you go. Put this one here. Supposed to go. This one here. There you go, that's better. Again with the dramatic music. This time they got the whole hand. No! What the heck are you gonna do? What the heck is happening? Am I supposed to do something? What? That's so disgusting. Okay, how did the heck that happen? I'm guessing I'm supposed to unplug that? Yeah. What the heck is happening? Why is this dramatic music playing? He left. Am I supposed to plug that in there? Right now. This is... What? That... What? That is so disgusting in many ways. What? That is so disgusting in many ways. What the heck? Okay, what the heck was happening here? Alright, hope you guys enjoyed. I'm gonna kill my friend for making me play this game. I hope you guys enjoyed, like the video, subscribe. You guys will probably be hearing a song after this. Just remember to subscribe and like the video, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Bye bye.